Hey there, welcome back to Curiosity Craze. You know, people say there's no such thing as a guaranteed business. Markets crash, trends change, and even billion-dollar companies vanish overnight. But that's not the whole truth, because there are a few industries that have quietly stood the test of time, surviving wars, recessions, pandemics, and economic chaos. And today, we're exploring 3 business ideas that almost never flop, no matter what's happening in the world. Let's get started. Number 3. The food business. Think about it for a second. No matter where you are, whether it's New York, Paris, or a small town in Ohio, people need to eat every single day. You can stop buying clothes for a month, you can delay upgrading your phone, but skipping food? Not possible. That's why the food business is one of the most recession-proof industries on the planet. And the best part? You don't need a fancy restaurant to get started anymore. With cloud kitchens, food trucks, and delivery apps, you can launch a food business from your own kitchen. Literally. Some of the most profitable food brands started small. One good recipe, one good name, and consistent quality. Think of local snack shops, frozen meal brands, or healthy meal subscriptions. When times get tough, people turn to affordable comfort food. And when times are good, they go for premium dining. Either way, you win. Here's a secret. Food trends change fast. Keto, vegan, protein-packed, organic. But the core demand never drops. So, if you ever want a business that can scale slowly but surely, the food business is like planting a tree that keeps bearing fruit every season. Number 2. Health and wellness. Let's be honest, people can live without luxury, but not without health. When a crisis hits, the first thing everyone focuses on is staying healthy. That's why the global wellness industry is worth over $4 trillion, and it keeps growing every single year. From fitness centers, home gyms, and supplements, to organic skincare, herbal remedies, and even meditation apps, this market never sleeps. Even small players can thrive here. For example, starting an online store selling vitamins, herbal teas, or essential oils doesn't require a massive investment. All you need is trust, good branding, and real benefits. And here's an interesting twist. The wellness industry doesn't just include physical health anymore. Mental well-being, stress relief, and sleep improvement products are skyrocketing in demand. Because in today's world, people don't just want to live long, they want to live well. Quick disclaimer, this video shares general information only and is not medical advice. So if you can build something that helps people feel better, body or mind, you're already in a business that will outlast every trend. Number 1. Education and skill development. Now let's talk about the one business that can survive literally anything. Education. When the economy crashes, people lose jobs. But guess what they do next? They start learning new skills to bounce back stronger. That's why education, in any form, is recession-proof. Think of teachers, tutors, online coaches, and course creators. They didn't just survive during the pandemic, they thrived. You can teach anything you're good at. Cooking, coding, design, language, marketing, even life lessons. And thanks to platforms like YouTube, Udemy, or even your own website, you can reach the entire world from your living room. But education doesn't stop at academics. Parents are spending more than ever on their kids' learning. From online tutoring to creative hobbies like music or robotics. And adults, they're spending billions on upskilling, learning AI tools, business strategies, or side hustles. So if you can teach, mentor, or guide, you already hold the key to a business that never fails. Education grows even when everything else slows down, because learning never stops. So here's a quick recap. Food, health, and education. 3 timeless business ideas that survived every global crisis and will continue to do so for decades. Each one connects to a basic human need: eating, healing, and growing. If you can build a business around one of these, you'll not only make money, you'll create value that lasts. So, which one would you start first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here at Curiosity Craze, we dig deep into fascinating ideas that fuel your mind and maybe your next big move. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.